Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CODA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't even state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is essentially where the bleeding finally stopped after what was a pretty big pullback, and that area of support is right down here around $5.50, give or take. Yeah, the price technically dropped below there a few times, but there are other times where the price didn't quite go down that low. So just kind of trying to split the difference there. But 550 is certainly going to be that near-term area where there is a history of buying right now. Now, whether or not those buyers remain there, that remains to be seen. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But as the story is telling us right now, people are and have been willing to buy right around 550. Now, if that ceases to happen tomorrow, or in other words, that level of support is broken, the next key level of support to keep an eye on is going to be the purple line right there, the famous 50-period moving average. As the name implies, moving, so I'm not going to assign a numerical value to it because that line is going to move itself higher and higher, and therefore that value will change. So that'll be a level to watch in the event 550 cannot hold. But if 550 does hold, then yeah, it's worth keeping an eye on the 50 period. But as it stands right now, definitely the first priority and near-term level of support is going to be up there at 550. What about levels of resistance? First key level that really stands out to me is basically the top portion of this channel that basically formed during the late morning and then the rest of the day, right up there, right around $6.50. So 650, like I said, if you look kind of close, you can see that basically a little miniature channel has formed. Bottom of the channel, 550, top of the channel, right up there around 650. In the event the bulls can push through that top portion of the channel, next key level of resistance to keep an eye on, right up there at $7.25. So these will be the key levels that I'll be watching tomorrow. All in all, though, very active day, good solid volume. So yeah, this should be pretty interesting. I'll be keeping an eye on it tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.